In this exercise, we'll find the volume. We'll use 3.14 for pi. The figure is drawn, and we see that the shape is that of a sphere. The volume for a sphere is V equals 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. Now notice that the formula uses radius, but we are given the diameter of the sphere. So before we substitute, we'll need to find the radius. The radius is the diameter divided by 2, or 20 yards divided by 2, or 10 yards. So now we're ready to substitute. I'll approximate pi by 3.14. So I'll write that V is approximately equal to 4/3 times 3.14 times the radius, 10 yards, cubed. When I multiply, I would multiply 4/3 times 3.14 times 10 times 10 times 10, because 10 yards cubed means there's 3 factors of 10. Multiplying, I would get 4,186.6 repeating. Now my unit is going to be a cubic unit because I'm looking for a volume. So my unit then would be cubic yards.